I was born in East St. Louis, but I was raised in Granite City my whole life, went to public school here, loved it, and loved the fact that I'm going to be coming back here. I was a judge for 18 years. Before I was a judge, I worked for my dad, Lance Callis, Bruce Cook in St. Clair County, and I was a prosecutor in both Madison and St. Clair County. I became a judge very young, and it was kind of a process to becoming a public servant. I started as an associate judge. I served in every division in the 3rd Judicial Circuit in Madison County and Bond County. When I became chief judge, that's when I realized that I really owed it to the people of Madison and Bond counties to be their servant. I was a public servant. I always was involved and loved the law because of my father. My dad, who just recently passed away, was just a powerhouse of a trial lawyer. He loved this city, Granite City, and the fact that I'm coming back to work here is another full circle. And I know if my dad were here today, or he is looking down on me smiling from heaven. He was a railroad lawyer. He represented many, many workers who were injured on the railroad. My dad and my sister Missy invested a lot in Granite City, in revitalizing Granite City, and why I'm sitting here today is part of their revitalization effort. My greatest accomplishment are my children, who are both in public service. My son, who is in Afghanistan, Airborne Ranger. My daughter is an English second language teacher in the public school system here in Madison County in Bethalto. So I'm very proud of both of them and how dedicated they are to serving. I'm married to Jim Holland, who is a great trial lawyer. He is semi-retired now. And also a wonderful supporter of many, many causes in St. Louis, including Democratic causes. The fact that I'm also going to be partnering and working for Eric Holland is really just a dream come true. I can't believe that we were able to connect in the way. He hired me as local counsel on some railroad cases. I would talk to my dad about this, and he was excited that I was getting involved in the railroad business, because Eric also is in the mold of my father. He loves his clients, he believes in the working man, and I think we are going to be able to really do great things in helping people together.
What an honor and a privilege it is to have Judge Callis joining the Holland Law Firm. Her roots here are deep, her accomplishments are off the charts, and it's going to be an absolute joy to have her join our team. We've been serving the folks of Illinois for 30 years. I've been representing people over here, and now it's time to really up our presence and make this into what I believe it's going to be, which is truly a regional law firm that's going to give us the ability to serve our clients in Illinois in an amazing way. Judge Callis' accomplishments, like I said, are many. Her work on the bench, and then since leaving the bench, her work as a lawyer. That work has impressed me since the day we first came in contact on the different cases we've worked on. Her work as local counsel in my railroad cases in Madison County. This is truly a great opportunity.